Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Halloween undecorate with me, and we're also going to be adding some fall vibes to really welcome the Thanksgiving season. I'm also going to do a porch decorate with me. I am so excited. It has been a couple weeks since I've been on YouTube. I had some family stuff going on, but I'm going to spare y'all from that and just focus on how much fun it's going to be to really bring in the most wonderful time of the year together. I am also going to be doing a couple videos after this of some of my favorite Thanksgiving recipes, a Thanksgiving tablescape, and kind of some fun, memorable things you can do for your family during Thanksgiving. But if it's your first time here, my name is Lauren. I do all things home decor, and I'm so happy you're joining me today. So to get started, I'm gonna actually be removing all those bats. If you guys don't recall from my video, I actually used a hot glue gun on a low heat, and these things are popping right off. I'm so happy how this turned out. I don't have any blemishes on my paint. It was super easy to take these off. There are a couple of areas where the glue stayed on the paint, but I just used a little bit of rubbing alcohol and they popped right off. Tell me in the comments down below, did you guys use the little sticky balls that came with their bats this Halloween, or did you use the hot glue gun? If you did, was it easy to get off?
You're the first thing in the...
I was really surprised on how easy it was to actually remove all of this, these spider webs. I put it up in one sheet and then slowly pulled it down if you watched my Halloween decorate with me, and it came off so easily. And of course, Enzo has to be in here because she loves all of you guys at YouTube so much. So do not forget to say a little comment down below for sweet Enzo, because she is having the best day ever with these Halloween decorations.
Of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Everything a nice wipe down. I noticed during Halloween I wasn't able to really deep clean as much as I like to, just because I had so much stuff out. So I'm gonna give everything a nice wipe down. What I wanted to just share this little area. This it was actually a bench from the church across the street from our house that whoever had the house prior to us, again it's an 1891 Victorian, they took it apart and actually built it into this part of our entryway. And I just honestly love it, and I just wanted to share that little tidbit with you guys.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told
So I've decided for Thanksgiving I'm gonna actually remove this little desk and put it somewhere else. I'm not sure yet because I know it doesn't look very big, but it's actually giant. And I'm gonna put just a simple little flower arrangement here. A lot of times during Thanksgiving, our family brings over like their purses and bags and coats. So I kind of wanted to leave this area pretty open so people could set their things down and just kind of make it not as crowded. And then for Christmas, I'm gonna be actually putting a 9-foot flocked Christmas tree here. So definitely stick around on my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because you will not want to miss my Christmas decor. I probably have about 12 videos I'll be posting between about middle of November until the end of the year on all things Christmas and definitely a ton of decor.
I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew.
I get a lot of questions about our paint, and this is the color is called White Picket Fence, and this actual stairwell we painted in a high gloss, so that's why it always looks so shiny. I get lots of questions like, how do you make your house look so shiny? I'm like, it's actually the paint. What I like about the high gloss paint too is that the enamel really is sturdy, so for like all the kids' fingerprints, it never stains. It stays so clean, so I definitely highly recommend high gloss if you are going to be doing paint where you have high traffic areas. So I'm going to be setting up this little tray that we've had for forever. This thing is so old, but it is going to look so cute. I'm going to put those fall leaves back up that I had in my fall decorate with me. If you want some more inspiration for fall, definitely check those out. I'll put a link here down below to check those out. But I'm just going to put an arrangement here and then maybe add some of these cozy blankets my son was so kind to throw on my face a minute ago. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved taking down your Halloween decorations and turning your house back into fall as much as I did. It was so nice to just kind of get rid of all that stuff and satisfying to pack it up until next year and kind of take a step back. I'm going to revisit fall for a little bit during Thanksgiving, and then we're going to get started on Christmas, but I typically don't decorate for Christmas until the day after Thanksgiving, but this year we're going to decorate a little bit early just so that I can share everything with you guys and get you inspired to decorate as well. Well, hey there, little Enzo. So for my fall, my fall front porch second edition this year, I'm going to be actually repurposing a lot of this. I actually had that in mind when I was decorating for Halloween. I wanted to make sure that I decorated with things that I could use throughout the season. So I start decorating August, September, October we transition to Halloween, and then November I'll transition back to fall for Thanksgiving and then kind of keep a lot of this stuff out. So you'll see I reuse those flowers and pumpkins throughout our decor. So one exciting thing I do have coming up is we are finishing our home gym, which is not as crazy as it sounds. It's really just a room we have that we don't use, and we're going to turn it into a home gym, and I'm going to do a 30-day Get Fit Before New Year challenge. I want to know in the comments down below, do you guys want to do a challenge together where we all just kind of push ourselves a little bit more, work out a little harder, start 2021 stronger, clearer in our minds, and just more dedicated to living a great life. And that starts with being strong and healthy moms and women and people in the world. And I'm just so excited to be sharing our home gym. I'm going to walk you through all the equipment we have, where we got it, and the different exercises that we have. I get questions all the time how I stay fit, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you guys soon. So be on the lookout for that video. It should be up around the 16th of November.
Restoring everything within. Oh,
So it's now the next day. I'm gonna start decorating for fall. I wanna keep a nice feeling of Thanksgiving and some kind of darker colors. I'm also gonna be using these really incredible lights. This is an ultimate trick for how to get those really beautiful kind of the pumpkin scapes on the front yard, like how people light them up. So I'm going to show you the trick to how to do that. So you're not using a giant strand of lights, you're actually using a really cool technique. So I'm excited to share that with you. Do not forget to wait around for that. But for now, I'm just going to be adding in some lanterns. I'm going to be adding in some pumpkins. It's super cold this day. I mean, I say super, we're in California, so it's not that cold, but I was super cold this day, and it was kind of fun to go back to decorating for Thanksgiving. Kind of made me feel like now it really feels like fall here, because if you guys remember my fall decorate with me, it was like 100 degrees outside and I was putting pumpkins out. It was horrible. So now I really get to feel the effects of fall here in Northern California.
Scale the world in halves as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
So I wanted to add some different flowers than I had in my fall decorate with me. I'm going to be bringing in some more deep reds and some bright yellows. I really want to get away from all the orange. I also found these really beautiful, they're like a woven material, ceramic planters from Walmart, which I was looking for something a little understated. I didn't want to go with something dark or too contrasty. I really wanted the illumination of the lights that you're going to see at the end, and the pumpkins to really kind of set the tone for this space. And I just love how this turns out. I'm actually thinking about spray painting these gold and using them for Christmas. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments down below. So here is my trick for how to light up the porch. This is actually, they're called window curtain lights, and it's a 20-foot long strand with little 10-foot strands hanging off it. I think there's actually 20, maybe 15 strands here. But anyway, they're nice and long, and what I like to do is run the length of my porch, and then I take each one of these strands and I use it for each one of the landings. It just kind of, that way I don't have a huge long thing of lights. It's like each landing has its own, or step has its own little strand of lights. And I just think this is such a great hack. I will put this in the description down below.
No end in sight. She wanders along the trail down to the river.
If you guys haven't already, check out my Instagram so you can see how this looks later tonight. It looks so beautiful. We sat on the porch and had a nice glass of wine, and I have to tell you, this looks so warm and cozy, and I just love how it turned out. So now I'm going to actually get started on our porch. I'm going to be very, very simple up here. I don't want to go over the top because y'all know I'm going to have to pack it all up and start for Christmas. But I want to add some cozy blankets. I did add these topiaries, but I'm actually going to take these out because the green really clashed with the orange, which I knew it would, but I wanted to try and see if I could warm it up with this ribbon. But I may use these for Christmas. I'm also thinking for Christmas of maybe doing 2 7-foot trees on either side of the door. But for the sake of this video, I tried maybe just dressing this up with some fall leaf ribbon, but I'm telling you, girl, it didn't work.
The truth will soon break, a new day is on the rise. The promises we make seem to be improvised. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too, 'cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things, some turn use into abuse, and I'll stop until it's too late.
So I'm just gonna cozy up this space a little bit. I also got some of those cinnamon spiced pine cones that I love, and also, you know, I love to keep my porch smelling super good. I always wonder what like the UPS and FedEx guy thinks about, and gal thinks about our porch, because I'm sure it always smells so good when they come up here. I should start leaving out some like cookies or something sweet, but I'm gonna add a little cozy spot here, and that's gonna be a wrap for my Thanksgiving porch. I just wanna keep things super cozy and simple, a nice welcome sign to really spend some time with our family and get into a headspace of gratitude this year. It has been a rough one for all of us. And I just have to say, sitting on this porch later this evening, having a glass of wine with my husband was everything I needed right now. And I'm so grateful for each of you for watching this video. And I cannot wait to ring in the holiday season and New Year with each of you. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.
You've been warned about me. You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if